Excuse me. Thank you. Excuse me.
Hello, ma'am?
Nasaan ang asawa ko?
Nandito po kami sa model house.
What? Ano ba nangyayari dyan? Give the phone to Ronaldo Rigor. I need to talk to him.
Sige po. Teka lang po, ma'am. Pupuntahan ko. Sadali lang po, ma'am. Ito na po, ma'am.
May nangyari. Patay yata siya.
Hello?
Patay na yata siya.
Ano ba nangyayari? Can you please tell me what's going on?
Opo, ma'am.
Aliada. Hindi ko sinasadya. The girl. It was supposed to be a game. Pero lumaban siya. Kaya, patay na yata siya.
Can you please give the phone to Rigor? I need to talk to him. Give the phone to Rigor. Siya mag-aayos ng kalat mo na ba?
Hello, ma'am? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, humihinga pa to. Nasaktan lang, pero buhay pa to.
Gawa mo ng paraan. Alam mo naman na we cannot afford another controversy, please.
Sigurado kayo, ma'am.
Rigor, you know what to do. Ikaw nang bahala, gawa mo ng paraan. Gawa mo ng damage control.
Sige, ma'am.